Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a line in the header or footer of your Word document. Follow along as I take you through each step. First, open your Word document. Click on the header section at the top of the page. When you do this, the header and footer areas will become active and the header and footer tab will appear at the top of the screen. Now, make sure you have selected the header. Then, go to the Design tab and find the Page Borders option. Click on it and a new window will open. In this window, select the Borders tab. This section allows you to customize the line you want to add. Next, choose a style for the line. You will see different styles available. Select the one that best suits your document. For this example, I am going to choose a straight line. You can also change the color of the line by clicking on the color drop-down. Select a color that matches your preference. Additionally, you can adjust the width of the line by selecting a different point size. I am going to choose 3 points for a more visible line. The next step is important. In the Apply To section, you will see different positioning options. Select the second option, which places the line at the bottom of the paragraph. Once you have selected it, click OK. Now, you should see the line appear in the header. If you want to add a line to the footer, click inside the footer section at the bottom of the page. This will activate the footer editing mode. Again, go to the Design tab and click on Page Borders. Just like before, go to the Borders tab. Choose a line style, select a color, and adjust the width if needed. This time, instead of selecting the second positioning option, select the first one. This places the line at the top of the footer section. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, click anywhere outside the header and footer sections to return to the main document. You should now see the lines clearly in both the header and the footer. If you want to customize the lines further, you can go back to the Page Borders settings at any time. You can change the color, width, or even select a different line style. That is how you can add a line in the header and footer of your Word document. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.